You'd be surprised how many people search catalytic converter Nissan Rogue, not because they want one for fun, but because those things tend to disappear in parking lots faster than you can say, Portland street parking. Thieves love them, and it's become a modern plague. So what's the big deal with Nissan Rogue catalytic converters? Well, it turns out they're loaded with precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. These metals are basically lottery tickets for scrappers, up to $200 for one converter, sometimes more. If you drive a Rogue, here's the pain point. When your catalytic converter gets stolen, your car sounds like a jet engine and you fail every emissions test. Plus, you're suddenly $1,000 to $2,500 in the hole for parts and labor. Ouch. Here's a quick explainer. Your catalytic converter is essential for reducing those nasty gases from your car's exhaust. It's not just there for show, and if you remove it, good luck passing any inspection. The check engine light will remind you repeatedly. Let's say you wake up, crank your Rogue, and the noise terrifies your cat. First step, check under the car. If you see a gap in your exhaust pipe and some sheared metal, congratulations, you've joined the unlucky club. File a police report first. Insurance may cover it. Want to protect your Rogue before it happens? Start simple. Park in your driveway, not the street, if possible. Choose well-lit spots and install a motion sensor camera. Hey, studies show theft rates drop by up to 60% when cameras are visible. Pro tip, invest in a catalytic converter shield or cage. These steel barriers bolt right around your converter. It costs about $200 to $300, and it basically turns the would-be thief's job from snip and sprint to I hear sirens, time to leave. If you're handy, you can DIY a converter shield. There are kits out there, Amazon, eBay, you name it. Or you can buy stainless steel plates at your local hardware store. Just make sure you're not drilling straight into the exhaust system itself. Another step, get your VIN or license plate number etched onto the converter. Scrap yards are required to check for these in many states, and it can reduce your risk since thieves prefer easy-to-move parts with no ID. Think of it as putting your name on your lunch. When replacing a stolen catalytic converter, don't just go to the dealership out of habit. Local muffler shops can often do the work for hundreds less and sometimes faster. Call at least 3 shops and get itemized quotes. You'll be amazed at the price swings. If you're worried about emissions aftermarket, look for converters labeled CARB compliant if you're in California or a state that follows those regulations. Non-compliant parts will make your Rogue run fine, but the check engine light might be your new permanent dashboard accessory. For anyone buying a used Rogue, here's a life hack. Always have a mechanic check under the car before you seal the deal. Swapping out a catalytic converter is the kind of scam that happens more than you'd think. Never take a seller's word for it. At the end of the day, owning a Nissan Rogue in 2024 means defending your converter like it's precious cargo. Spend a little upfront and you could save yourself a ton, both in money and headaches. That's the best insurance in a world where parking comes with risk.